मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा या करूँगी।
I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
ऐसा कहने की तुम्हें हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
How dare you say that? How dare you say that?
अब चाहे जो हो,
Come what may, come what may.
इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद।
Thanks for this honor. Thanks for this honor.
कोई खास बात नहीं,
Nothing special. Nothing special.
जरा सा भी नहीं।
Not the least. Not the least.
बाहर इंतजार करो।
Wait outside. Wait outside.
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हो?
Do you study English? Do you study English?
क्या तुम नैनीताल में रहते हो?
Do you stay in Nainital? Do you stay in Nainital?
क्या यही पुस्तक तुम्हें चाहिए?
Is this the book you are looking for? Is this the book you are looking for?
क्या तुम अखबार पढ़ रहे हो या पढ़ रही हो?
Are you reading the newspaper? Are you reading the newspaper?
क्या तुम खेलोगे?
Will you play? Will you play?
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकती हो या पढ़ सकते हो?
Can you read English? Can you read English?
उसका ख्याल रखना।
Take care of him or her. Take care of him or her.
कृपया मुझे शर्मिंदा मत कीजिए।
Please don't embarrass me. Please don't embarrass me.
असली बात पर आओ, इधर उधर की बातें छोड़ो।
Stop rambling and come to the point. Stop rambling and come to the point.
काम के समय काम करो, खेल के समय खेलो।
Work while you work and play while you play. Work while you work and play while you play.
उचित समय पर प्रयास करो।
Strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron when it is hot.
जगह खाली करो।
Vacate the place. Vacate the place.
अपने मन की बात कहो।
Speak your mind. Speak your mind.
जरा हाथ लगाना।
Lend me a hand, please. Lend me a hand, please.
आप कितने साल के हो?
How old are you? How old are you?
तुम क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want? What do you want?
तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
What's your father? What's your father?
तुम इन दिनों क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days?
अब तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो?
How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now?
तुम्हारा मनपसंद गाना कौन सा है?
Which is your favorite song? Which is your favorite song?
आप कहाँ काम करते हैं?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
तुम यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो?
Why are you sitting here? Why are you sitting here?
आपको मुझसे कुछ काम है?
Have you any business with me? Have you any business with me?
रात के भोजन में क्या क्या है?
What's the menu for dinner? What's the menu for dinner?
हम कहाँ मिलेंगे?
Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet?
तुम वापस कैसे आ गए?
How have you come back? How have you come back?
तुमने पढ़ना क्यों छोड़ दिया है?
Why have you dropped your studies? Why have you dropped your studies?
आप क्यों तकलीफ करते हैं?
Why do you trouble yourself? Why do you trouble yourself?
क्या मैं आपके फ़ोन का इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
May I use your phone? May I use your phone?
मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ।
I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning.
मैं नहीं जानता।
I don't know. I don't know.
मैं मोटरसाइकिल नहीं चला सकता।
I can't ride a motorcycle. I can't ride a motorcycle.
यही किताब मैं चाहता हूँ।
This is the book I need. This is the book I need.
भारत हमारा देश है और हम उसके वासी हैं।
India is our country and we are her inhabitants. India is our country and we are her inhabitants.
हमने छुट्टियों के दौरान आनंद मनाया।
We enjoyed ourselves during the holidays. We enjoyed ourselves during the holidays.
जो कोई सबसे बढ़िया रहेगा उसे पुरस्कार मिलेगा।
Whoever is the best will get a prize. Whoever is the best will get a prize.
तुम्हारी लेख तुम्हारे भाई की लेख से अच्छी है।
Your handwriting is better than that of your brother. Your handwriting is better than that of your brother.
यह बिल्कुल दूसरी बात है।
That's a different matter altogether. That's a different matter altogether.
उसके रूखे व्यवहार से मुझे धक्का पहुंचा।
His rude behavior shocked me. His rude behavior shocked me.
मुझे तुमसे ऐसी आशा कभी न थी।
I never expected this from you. I never expected this from you.
बच्चे प्रतिदिन 1 घंटा खेलते हैं।
The boys play every day for 1 hour. The boys play every day for 1 hour.
वह अभी तक नहीं आया।
He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet.
मैं अपना काम अगले रविवार तक पूरा कर लूँगा।
I'll finish my work by next Sunday. I'll finish my work by next Sunday.
वह अपना काम लगभग 2 घंटों में पूरा कर लेगा।
He'll finish his work in about 2 hours. He'll finish his work in about 2 hours.
मैं वहाँ लगभग 3 बजे पहुँचा।
I reached there around 3 o'clock. I reached there around 3 o'clock.
सुबह होने तक उसकी सांस उखड़ने लगी।
He was breathing his last by morning. He was breathing his last by morning.
हम उसके व्यवहार से तंग आ गए।
We got fed up with his behavior. We got fed up with his behavior.
मधु एक कान से बहरी है।
Madhu is deaf in one ear. Madhu is deaf in one ear.
मोनू को देखकर मुझे उसकी बहन की याद आती है।
Monu reminds me of his sister. Monu reminds me of his sister.
यह मेरे लिए बड़े सम्मान की बात है।
It's a matter of great honor for me. It's a matter of great honor for me.
उसे पैसे का हिसाब देना होगा।
He'll have to account for the money. He'll have to account for the money.
बाकी मैं सब संभाल लूँगा।
I'll take care of the rest. I'll take care of the rest.
बेवकूफ़ी मत करो।
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ।
Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me.
उससे बात करो।
Talk to him. Talk to him.
क्या ये तुम्हारा है?
Is it yours? Is it yours?
वह धूम्रपान का आदी हो गया है।
He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted to smoking.
उसने नियमों के विरुद्ध आचरण किया।
He acted contrary to the rules. He acted contrary to the rules.
वह कठिन परिश्रम के फलस्वरूप सफल हुआ।
He succeeded by dint of hard work. He succeeded by dint of hard work.
हमें जीने के लिए काम करना होगा।
We must work in order to live. We must work in order to live.
वह बहुत मासूम लड़की है।
She is very innocent girl. She is very innocent girl.
खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो।
Control yourself. Control yourself.
इसे ठीक से करो।
Do it properly. Do it properly.
मैं अक्सर वहाँ जाती हूँ।
I often go there. I often go there.
वह मेरे पास से गुजरी।
She passed by me. She passed by me.
बहुत देर हो चुकी है।
It's too late. It's too late.
उसका मजाक मत बनाओ।
Don't make fun of her. Don't make fun of her.
मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती।
I can't wait. I can't wait.
मैं इसका विश्वास नहीं कर सकता।
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
तुम इसी के लायक हो।
You deserve this only. You deserve this only.
बस थोड़ा सा और।
Just a little more. Just a little more.
अपनी हद में रहो।
Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits.
मुझे अपना ही समझो।
Consider me your own. Consider me your own.
मेरा दिमाग खराब मत करो।
Don't disturb my mind. Don't disturb my mind.
मैं समझ सकती हूँ।
I can understand. I can understand.
मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगी।
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं।
Summers are about to start. Summers are about to start.
मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ।
I am with you. I am with you.
मुझे उससे मिलना है।
I have to meet him. I have to meet him.
क्या आपने उसे देखा?
Did you see him? Did you see him?
वहाँ खाली हाथ मत जाओ।
Don't go there empty-handed. Don't go there empty-handed.
बाल्टी में पानी भर दो।
Fill the bucket with water. Fill the bucket with water.
बात को हंसी में मत उड़ाओ।
Don't laugh away the matter. Don't laugh away the matter.
मैं यहाँ बहुत उम्मीद से आई हूँ।
I have come here with lots of hope. I have come here with lots of hope.
मैं वहाँ जाने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ।
I am not in the position to go there. I am not in the position to go there.
तुम मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकते।
You can't do anything wrong to me. You can't do anything wrong to me.
उसके चक्कर में मत पड़ो।
Don't rely on him. Don't rely on him.
रोटी कैसे बनाएं?
How to roll the chapati. How to roll the chapati.
जूते पहन लो।
Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes.
मुझे नींद आ रही है।
I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy.
बस अब सो जाओ।
Now go to sleep. Now go to sleep.
शुभ रात्रि।
Good night. Good night. My dear friends, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिए।